When it comes to building wealth abroad, a number of countries offer residents the opportunity to own residential properties free of capital gains tax. There's plenty of advantages to being an expat. Whether you move abroad early in life or later, it gives you a unique range of skills, a hugely improved work-life balance, and the chance to live in any country around the world. Nearly 75% of international expats reported an increase in their income when they moved. Tax rates, cost of living, and disposable income are all issues that foreigners need to consider and prepare for when looking to grow their nest egg abroad. So if you want to find out what are the best places in the world to build wealth, then keep on watching. Now, let's dive right into the list of the best 5 countries that allow foreign investors to prosper. Saudi Arabia. To encourage skilled migrants and ease the process of moving to Saudi Arabia, the country has introduced new residency programs, one permanent and the other to be renewed every year. These schemes allow expats to find a job, to invest, to own a property, and to bring family members to live with them. Saudi Arabia is a high standard of living country. It's common for expats to employ drivers, domestic helpers, and gardeners, something that would be seen as lavish in other countries. You will be rewarded with improved healthcare, better schooling for children, more international holidays, and much more. In addition to all of these benefits, there is a lower cost of living, better housing, and shorter travel to work, which means you'll be able to focus on the things that really matter in life. The safety in the country is also greatly improved. Saudi Arabia has high salaries and no personal income tax, so it's a great place to live abroad and grow your wealth. United Arab Emirates, UAE. You'll earn a tax-free income, which may be one of the major benefits of working in the UAE. There's no minimum wage in the UAE, which can provide more negotiating room for expats. Many companies compensate their expats with higher salaries and attractive benefits like paid vacations and free housing, which is usually necessary to make this a sustainable lifestyle. The average salary in Dubai, the most populated city in the country, is between $140,000 to $150,000, which is significantly higher than most other countries. Imagine the possibilities. You're moving to a new country where you'll be surrounded by people from all over the world. It truly is an exciting opportunity. Here, your culture blends in with everyone else's, creating a multicultural haven. There's no other place like this on Earth. Coming up next, you will hear about a top country that is an even better place to live abroad and grow your wealth than the Saudi Arabia or the UAE. And we also saved the best county to grow your wealth for last. So stay tuned for that, but first like this video and let us know in the comments below what other kind of questions do you have about building wealth. And we'll answer your question in the next video. Bahrain. Bahrain is a top country to work in as an expat. It's pretty amazing how many people from other countries actually live there too, close to half the population. Bahrain is always lit with concerts, festivals, and more, and it also has an English-speaking population. The main difference between Bahrain and Saudi Arabia or the UAE is the former's approach to gender equality. As such, it's a great place for both men and women to develop their careers. And the best part is that there is no personal income tax in Bahrain either. Hong Kong. Expats moving to this thriving metropolis see their income increase on average 41%. There are many financial and professional services firms in Hong Kong, which means they all need new talent. Expats will often stay for job opportunities, the better quality of life, and a safe environment to raise their kids in. The higher salaries topping it all off. Moving to Hong Kong can help you accumulate wealth much more quickly than, for example, in the UK, thanks to the low tax environment. Hong Kong operates under a territorial-based tax system. You only pay income tax on money sourced in Hong Kong, and there's no capital gains or estate duty tax. Along with Singapore and the Channel Islands, Hong Kong is one of the most popular locations for global investment funds and wealth management. Switzerland. Switzerland is ranked as the best destination for expats who are looking to grow their wealth. It is one of the few countries that doesn't have any minimum wages except in 2 regions and offers some of the highest wages in the world. Switzerland has a complicated tax system. It's based on 3 levels of governing, which can make it difficult to calculate average tax rates. The 26 cantons, states, have their own tax laws and practices, so the tax rates can vary. Switzerland is a great place for anyone who wants to enjoy all that nature has to offer or prefers a low-key social life. Public transportation and services are excellent. This country has been in the top 10 countries for expats since 2011. With good pay and opportunity for better career progression, you should be considering Switzerland as a possible place to relocate. Now, if you want to learn more about improving your financial situation, wealth habits, and enjoying a comfortable financial future in general, make sure you check out these 2 videos right here. I'll see you in the next one.